Coach BK, wanted to give you a quick tip on addressing some knee discomfort. We are talking specifically about knee discomfort that comes from tight quads, and maybe you get some diffuse knee pain. Maybe the kneecap feels too close to the knee joint itself. Some people I hear say, yes, I can stretch my quad fully, and sometimes that means that one muscle of the leg is stretching more than areas where we actually need it. So I wanted to show you a real quick self-care activity that biking, endurance runners, etc., it's good to know how to do. So let me show you some anatomy points real quick to help you understand what we're talking about. Okay, so this is kind of a real dumbed down version of what's going on in the quad. Wanted to just give you some highlights. So this is the middle, inside. So vastus medialis. On the outside, vastus lateralis, your kneecap. A whole bunch of other stuff here. So you have kind of some rotators and whatnot, inner thigh, the rectus femoris in the middle. So if you're doing stretching, you can get a good stretch here, but these two areas, based on how you're stretching, can still stay super tight, and they can have a habit of creating some pain, taking up too much space here. You can get some knee pain in here, a diffuse pain, or some knee pain down here. And so I wanted to show you some tips and tricks on how to address that real quick. So my son was gracious enough to help us with this. So if you have a partner or whatnot, one of the easiest ways to work on stretching this area right here or right here, just these very close spots right here, is, and this is pretty easy, you just kind of relax it and kind of feel like this spot right here. And we're talking about this muscle right here. And you stay away from right here, just get down to here. You'll know it, you'll feel a knot. And you put your thumb right there, and then you ask them to bend their knee, right? More. And then you bring it up and ask them bend their knee. And maybe even right here, bend the knee. Okay. You can kind of do this work yourself too. So, anytime you come up here and it's just, you gotta shorten the knee up and just really hold it and pull, okay? Really not gonna hurt anything. And you're really kind of getting right at these really tight spots. It's funny that these are the best spots to help with knee pain, but when they get too tight, they can get hard to stretch. So it's really simple. You can hold it down, and then the act of bending the knee, which shortens the muscle, can really help to address some knee pain. So that's a little bit on how to do some self-care in the kneecap area. If you have really advanced pain or it doesn't go away, if you're limping around, your hips hurting the other side because you're favoring this knee, you probably should just go ahead and go to a good ART, active release technique provider. But some of this stuff, this self-care stuff, you can do at home. And if you're the person that has knee pain, generally just, a little bit of, it wouldn't hurt you to rub some oil on there. Use some of my awesome oil and do that nightly. You'd be totally surprised at how much time and space that you can buy yourself just doing that regularly. Hope that helps. Namaste.